Have you ever fallen in love with a paint color and then watched it look completely different by afternoon? What if your paint choice wasn't just about the walls, but the entire renovation plan behind them? Today, most homeowners start with paint apps. They're amazing at swapping colors on your walls in seconds, and that's where they stop. The problem is that renovations live in the real world, where lighting temperatures, floor undertones, cabinet finishes, and contractor timelines all collide. You pick a gorgeous moody green from a paint only app, but under your actual LED SIG goes muddy. The trim sheen suddenly clashes. The kitchen cabinets in the next room fight the undertones. The paint looked right on screen, but the renovation plan around it never got a chance to catch up. ReimagineHome.ai is built for a different question. Not just what color should I paint this wall, but how do I plan my whole renovation so the color, materials, and lighting all work together? You upload a simple photo, describe the vibe, maybe warm terracotta walls, natural oak floors, matte black hardware, and ReimagineHome.ai generates complete concepts. Wall color, flooring, lighting, furniture, everything updated as one vision instead of one-off guesses. Instead of only previewing a color, you visualize renovation ideas online in context. How that grayish reads next to your oak floors, how that smoky blue behaves under 2,700 versus 3,000 Kelvin lighting, how a different rug or sofa shifts the undertone. And because ReimagineHome.ai is built for collaboration, you can send a link to your contractor, painter, or designer. They comment directly on the visuals, where to change sheen, where to repair trim, which walls need scrubbable paint, so everyone sees the same plan before anyone opens a paint can. Homeowners often juggle 5 or more tools just to plan one remodel: a paint visualizer, a mood board, a spreadsheet, a messaging app, and a project platform. Every handoff is a chance for miscommunication and costly do-overs. By bringing AI home design, renovation planning, and contractor collaboration into one visual hub, ReimagineHome.ai cuts planning friction dramatically. Instead of repainting a room because the color fought your floors, you catch the clash in a render. Instead of debating in emails, you align in one shared visual plan. So if you're asking yourself, what's the best AI tool to help me plan a renovation, not just pick a paint color, consider this. Renovations start with imagination, but they succeed with clarity. ReimagineHome.ai turns color experiments into full home design plans, connecting your paint choices to flooring, lighting, furniture, and the contractors who bring it all to life. Upload a photo, explore a few color-led schemes, share them with your team, and move from "I hope this works" to "we know this will work" before anyone lifts a brush. Reimagine your next renovation with ReimagineHome.ai.